Most people spend their lives building an empire inside a cage. They tie their wealth, their identity, and their future to a single location, a single point of failure. But the sovereign nomad understands that true power lies in decentralization. To be a sovereign nomad is not just to travel, it is to master the frequency of freedom. It is the realization that your mind is your only true residence. Neville Goddard taught us that to change your surroundings, you must first change your internal state. You must feel the breeze of a foreign shore and the security of a global empire in your imagination until the world has no choice but to manifest the tickets and the visas. In the 2026 economy, digital sovereignty is your shield. By utilizing tools like decentralized finance and secure VPS navigation, you act as an alchemist, protecting your capital from the volatility of the local matrix. You are not a victim of geography. You are the architect of your own territory. When you decouple your wealth from a single system, you stop being a subject and you start being a sovereign. You move through the world as a guest of honor, not a prisoner of a paycheck. You use the law of assumption to stay in the vibration of abundance, regardless of where you stand on the map. The world is your playground. Your imagination is your passport. Your sovereignty is your divine right. Subscribe to Aureum Axiom and reclaim your divine right to wealth. Master your reality. Stay wealthy.